In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on comments on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up TikTok app and then go to your profile. After that, tap right here at these three lines, select Settings and Privacy, then tap at Privacy. You will be taken to this page where you can easily find the comments just under the interactions. We get into comments, we can easily find this comments option at the very top. If we tap on it, we will see three different options: everyone, friends, and no one. If no one is selected, others can't comment on any of your posted videos or future videos. If you would like to turn on comments, select everyone, then close it, and then tap at that arrow to go to privacy and to save the changes. That's how you can easily turn on comments on TikTok.